Hind. My name is Tanishka Soni
And I am Khushi Panchal.
and we are here to show you some Raman effects. Forming the rainbow. This is a prism and this is a white light. So I am putting the prism over here and the white light consists of 7 colors. I am passing the light through the prism.
This is the forming of rainbow.
Can you see the rainbow? This is how the rainbow is formed. Scattering of light. So here we have a laser and a plane mirror. So now we have to see the path. This is the reflection of the laser light. Can you see the path of the laser light? No, it is not seen. Now we have created the smoke to see the path. Now can you see the path? The particles present in the smoke scatter the light. So this effect was discovered by C.V. Raman and this effect is called Raman effect.